Kawaii is a Japanese word for cute but modernate, which can be operationalized as a positive emotional response and as a social stimulus. Since even objects can evoke the perception of kawaii, kawaii may be a powerful tool for designs to elicit positive emotional responses and behavior. A wide array of disconnected work that explored kawaii in HCI exists. So we offered a scoping review to better understand how kawaii has been used in HCI and related fields as a factor of interaction design and user experience. In this work, we carried out a scoping review using Prisma protocol. We searched 3 databases relevant to HCI. The basic query structure contains 2 aspects, kawaii and HCI. As a result, 69 records were included in the review. We reviewed the record in 5 aspects. According to the most frequent words in definition, kawaii is highly related to the Japanese culture, is deemed connected to cute, and has positive meanings. The most common context of kawaii computing was HRI, followed by HCI and HAI, and several papers covered other contexts. When considering participants' demographics, 64% studies included only Japanese participants. 17% compared Japanese and non-Japanese. The kawaii factors that occurred most frequently were physical features, anthropomorphism, animation likeness, girlishness, and color. Most research measured perception of kawaii by self-reports, and several used biometric measurements. Besides, we found kawaii has been used in design, UX measurement, and establishment of an interpretive framework. Although existing studies were not exhaustive, they provide inspiration and directions for future work. First, kawaii is not only the feature of the design, but also emotions that occurs in the interaction. We propose that kawaii computing provides an approach to improve the relationship between people and technologies. Future work can go further to the social impacts and theorize relevant concepts of Japanese culture. Second, kawaii may vary in different social contexts, especially different culture, so the cross-cultural study should be followed. In addition, there was no universal framework for kawaii measurement in HCI. Establishing sets of attributes and frameworks for evaluating kawaii reactions for multi-stimuli will be a key endeavor for future works.